Pay attention to RE. RE means again, because you didn't pass or because you're sick. Education. Number 1, let's talk about subjects. English, art, history, or we can say history, geography, G-O-Gra-phy, P-H-Y, pronounce a phy. Science, biology, physics, chemistry, math, or we can say maths. You can bite your tongue and then pronounce it maths. Medicine, economics, law, business studies, engineering. Next one is architecture, psychology. Pay attention to the letter P. Letter P is silent, so it's a psychology. The philosophy, music, drama, languages, design and technology. Next one, we can say IT, information technology, physical education, we can say it's PE, veterinary medicine. Next one, geology, studying and exams, school, college, US, university, UK, library, classroom. And this one, pay attention to this one, please. This is a laboratory. You can say laboratory or you can say laboratory. Class, exam, essay, homework, exercise book, textbook, thesis, lecture, test, diploma, or you can say qualification, degree, teacher, professor, or we can say lecturer. Pay attention to this one, lecturer, student, graduate, studying and exam, to study a project, to review, or we can say to revise, to sit an exam, to pass, to fail, to resit. Pay attention to RE. RE means again, because you didn't pass or because you're sick, you didn't participate in the exam, so you have to resit there to take the exam again. So that's resit.